Hey, crazy people of the world, look at that. Copyright. Yeah, that's what I do after work. Maybe. Hey, you see it? Maybe you'll see it. Maybe I'll put this ahead. I don't know. That engine's in. A couple guys there putting it in today. Another machine just rolled back in. Air conditioning pump blew on it a couple weeks ago, and they had to put a new one in out in the field, so it's back to get charged up, plus a few little minor items. And you guys have seen all this stuff outside, I think, the other day, and everything's getting worked on. We're full housed again. You gotta love it. So that's what I know. So I'm going to continue doing what I like to do sometimes. A little Metallica never hurt anybody. All right, take care. That guy gets into his work. I like to see a guy when he's right into his work like that.
Boy, I wonder how they pulled that.
We actually do work around here, huh, Donna?
Yeah, I do. Filthy.
You can tell the cameraman, see? He shuffles his feet wherever he goes. It's a bird thing. It is. I'm not even going to narrate today. I'm just going to show. That's wood. Lots going on. Maintenance.
That's Rod. Rod there?
Yeah.
Get that around.
I think we started up.
Okay, there.
Okay.
Now,
Sitting on the motor now.
is it sitting on that bellow or on the pan?
On the motor now.
Everything's fine. Find the frogs here.
Fine wine. Fine women.
I would just take welding that cast that bus off?
Sure. On the other motor?
Yeah. This one.
Sure. Once you pull it apart, see if yeah, there ain't gonna be nothing left to it.
Everything's fine. Tread takes twice as long to unscrew it.
It never come loose though.
No, that's probably a good thing.
Or if it comes loose, it takes a long time to come all the way loose. How can you bend like that?
I don't know. I'm about ready to blow.
You see a pair of nuts rolling on the ground.
Oh, there they just hit the floor.
Now that I'm gonna leave in there.
No, no. You just, oh, no, I'm crazy.
Pair of nuts.
There we go. I was tied up there, I couldn't.
All I can really see is the pulleys that's just listening to you guys. I ain't got neither of you, well, Troy's big head is in there, but.
Okay, now are we sitting down here? Yeah. No, not really.
No.
Now we can go, well, we gotta go.
Watch the other fork too on that bracket up there, but.
Boy, Troy, you know that,
That pipe is
that's gonna screw us, that, putting that chain on the backside.
cutter.
Cause we gotta go back another, or we gotta tip it down on
Yeah,
it.
we gotta tip it down.
Tip it down under there.
You just gotta tip the fork.
Can you put it come along to the.
Here, and then pull the front end up.
Yep.
Come on.
It'll come along.
Yeah. You're just crazy.
No, it would work.
You're gonna run out, Troy.
Crazy old guys, they know stuff, right, Wes?
Yeah. She's going now, huh? Oh, look at that.
You watch you slip on that fork though, cause you're.
Yeah, we should have a light strip around her. Okay, now. Are we off on the bottom? No.
He's probably settled by now.
Yeah.
Okay, start her up and then just put a little pressure up and come ahead.
Come ahead.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay. We still got another frame here yet. Don't we?
Yeah.
Hurting that pipe.
Now you gotta, actually we gotta come down now.
Get it down.
Or tip. And we're hitting the pipe. Oh, then we gotta go up with the channel.
You gotta go ahead about 2 inches?
At least. To clear that.
Yeah.
And if you can, turn this motor over.
Look at, you got the best job in the world.
Should we turn her over and see if I can get something lined up here?
Troy, is it all in?
Pretty much.
Pretty much all right.
I didn't think it was gonna take 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck in there, we ain't letting you out.
2
When you gotta pee, you just gotta pee right through the, what do you got left, you said? You just gotta do the torque converter?
Yeah, we want to turn that over and get them 4 bolts in.
Before we can let him down?
Well, I guess maybe we could let it down.
What do you got bolts into the torque? You got bolts
We
from the
got
trans?
4 in there, but we got a ½ inch gap we want to leave.
Right, but you got bolts into the transmission to the,
4,
yeah, that'll be good.
yeah. 4 in there.
That way
Then I
we-
gotta, if he goes down, I gotta let the transmission down, I guess.
Right,
Yeah.
let's see, then he could come down and we can get him out of there.
The motor's kinda, what are we, high here?
Yeah, on this side.
Oh, okay, that's. For a minute there, they had me convinced I was a hole off. I thought,
They pulling that shit on you too?
yeah, I go, damn it, I crawled back here and looked at it. Oh, we got,
They've been doing that to me too a lot,
yeah,
playing games.
you could be a hole off. Cause she was hot pretty bad. And I thought, come on now, what does it look like, Ron?
We're on the mounts.
All right. How's that?
Let's bring it up a little.
Yeah, go up, back up a little bit, Wes.
Me?
You,
Okay.
not much. Oop, that's making it worse.
Really?
Yeah,
Front of the transmission's gotta go up.
Okay, then I'll go on the other. On the
Between,
quarter power.
yeah, exactly, between the bell and the transmission.
Okay, Troy, pump her up.
We got about an 1/8 inch on the top.
And what on the bottom, half?
I can't see the bottom, but yeah, I'm gonna say at least a half on the bottom.
Okay. Jack her up, bro.
I'm trying.
Come on, jack her up. Ooh, my foot. Contact there? I can't see, somebody's got my light. I think it contacted, she's tight now.
There you go.
Good?
Nope, keep going. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more.
Oh, the bolts are tight now on top.
Yeah, you're good. I would say you'll be able to, you'll be perfect right there. You're,
For turning that,
yeah, you're, got about 1/4 on the top, and you could use, you could probably get one, tighten the lower bolt and you'll get everything evened right up.
yeah. Should be even when we turn that, so
Yeah,
it's
if
going
you
hooking.
tighten the lowermost, you got 3 bolts on this side.
Yeah, and 2 on this side.
Okay.
I didn't know there was 3 on that side. All right.
I only have 3 of them.
What I'm saying is that you should be able to, manipulate it with them
We'll get that.
fine thread bolts. All right, now we can unhook you.
Let's just leave them in.
Yeah. Get him.
Yeah.
Too much logging going on.
Wow.
Bib overhauls.
Bloom, despair, and agony on me.
Okay, Ron.
There you go.
Are you gonna undo some moderating?
I'm about done with this thing.
Take it back outside.
Yeah, I'll put it back in the shed. I'm gonna tell you.
No.
See, I'm talking to the camera now. Good job, boys.
All right, thanks.
Way to go. That's the new guy.
That's the tube guy.
He'll be here for a couple of weeks. All right. Oh, you're done. You're out. All right, we're out.